interested how I got this look. Keep watching. Ow!
Baby, what you wanna do? Wait.
Hi everybody, I'm Bubbles. Today I am doing my first time installing a wig. Hey guys, so this is the hair we're actually using today. It comes like this. I actually got it from Amazon. It comes in this pretty bag. And that's the company that makes it. Don't worry guys, I will leave a link down below. And to let y'all know, I did leave a little bit of my hair out. As you can see, my hair is pretty long. Actually, the size of my hair is the shortest and the thinnest. That's just the way it grows. So anywho, this is going to be my first time and I hope I don't mess up. Because I never put on a lace front before in my life. Bubbles laughing at me. That's Bubbles Jr. If y'all don't know, I have a bird. So, I don't know. I have worn some half wigs before, but I never wore a lace front. And why would I decide to do this on my own? You know, YouTube is like the teacher of all, okay? You can learn anything on YouTube, okay? Anywho, let me show you this girl. It came with a weave cap. That was free. This is her. This is 18-inch. And the lace is kind of bright. There's a lace on the back. And next time I get a wig, I will try to get one that has a lace all the way around the front so I could practice doing that. But this one actually came with combs on the sides. And in the back. So, I know I'm looking crazy. He act like I'm scaring him. I know I'm looking crazy, but I do have my hair braided up in the back. And I stitched it up, so that's why you can't see it. And I did leave a little bit of the sides out because I noticed that this one doesn't have like a side lace. So I figured I could pull a little bit of my hair on the side to make it look more natural. So I don't know, I'm talking like I know what I'm doing, but you know what? Here we go. Oh, and also it has the hooks right there that you can adjust. Okay guys, I'm gonna be applying this without glue. I will be using Got To Be spray. Yeah, that's right. This can. I use this, okay? That's why I look dirty. It ain't dirty. I also have the invisible gel from Got To Be. I'm using my Fenty powder in chestnut. I'm going to put it on the lace. Let's put this baby on. Let's see. Okay, I went ahead and just slapped this girl on my head. I pulled out some of my hair on the sides. Off camera, kind of laid down my sideburns just a little bit. So as of now, we're looking wiggish. But if you see me looking to the sides, because I have the mirror to the side so I can see what I'm doing. Now I'm going to be leaving some links down below of people who've been doing this long enough. Oh, this is the mousse I'm using. Tresemme. I call it Tresemme. Is it Tresemme? Which one? I don't know. But that's what I'm using. Yes, I'm going to be leaving some links down below of other channels. People who are installing it, who has more experience than me. I am new to this, so we're going to be learning together. And yes, I am in front of a mirror. And I'm just going to pull this back a little bit so I can see what I am doing. So, I was told to play around with this. And this actually feels good. It's actually perfect. It comes right down. That's Bubba had some lace on the side though, so I could try it out. But we'll see. This looks like it needs to be plucked. And let's go from there. So what I'm going to do, let me put a little mousse in this so I can see what I'm doing. Pull it back a little. So I'm gonna pull this back. This got to be glue. Doesn't last that long. I think they said up to 2 days. I don't want to try the adhesives. Matter of fact, I did try one time and I got itchy. If anybody know anything about a glue that's good for sensitive skin, comment down below so I could check it out. I did see people either try this, try the spray, and they also tried the gel. I'm gonna try the spray. I decided to pluck a little bit. I know they say to pluck. I don't know. Don't come for me, guys. This is my first time doing a wig, but I do know this needs to look more natural. So I'll pull out a little bit. Comment down below if you got any pointers for me to pluck. Okay, so now I'm gonna use some alcohol pads, and these I got from Amazon. I will leave. Ooh, I got a cut on that finger. Ooh, ooh. Look. You can see that. Anywho, I actually got these from Amazon. I will leave them in my storefront down below. Let me clean my forehead. I was told if you clean here with some rubbing alcohol, it should lay better. Okay. Let's spray. Does this happen to anybody else with this got to be glue? When you spray it, it tends to stick and then nothing wants to come out for the next time. It's annoying. Gonna spray. Took me a minute to open up that stupid got to be spray. What I'm gonna do now is blow dry it on cool. I have a big forehead, so I got a lot of room to play with this wig. All right, let's cut the lace. Not bad for my first time. Bubbles Jr. giving me kisses. Now, why do they put this thick band at the end here that's white? I gotta figure out how to blend that out. See, look, right there. See that? I was told to try a razor. Ooh, I'm looking sexy. Oh. I'm not really the fan of baby hair, just a little bit. So to me, it looks kind of wiggish when you have too much. But so far, this is looking good. I think I need to tweeze it a little bit more, but for like people were saying, you could be tweezing all day long. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna try to do some baby hairs, some short hairs to kind of blend it, and then I'm gonna tie it down. I have this. Now, everybody said this is crucial, so. I am going to spray. going to cut this random. Gonna put this band on. We're gonna adjust these little pieces of hair. This is cute. Okay, now this here has a little bounce to it, but this here we need to adjust. It's sticking up like a wig. Flatten that out. Gonna use a hot comb to try and lay this down some. That's looking better already. No, I don't know what my bird is saying. He just talking randomly. So I think I'm gonna hit these roots, and then I'm gonna go back with the flat iron and go from there. It's cute. Just want to tame it a little bit. I don't want to lose a little bit of curls that it has, so I'm just going to tame it a little bit. Hi, baby. Is it a papa? Daddy ain't here. I know. Alright. Battery died. Let's take this off. I'm back. Okay, I'm gonna bust out this wax stick. I am using the Natural Element stick. Was told this should help with some flyaways. Do not use a lot. We are looking decent. I'm just trying to get this to lay. So a little bit of hair goes a long way. Now I do like that little whoop look. Oh, this looking nice. Oh, sexy mama. Okay, let me get this here. So I want it to have that little bump, but not a huge bump. So I put that wax in there. That should help. Perfect. Let me get right here. I'm using my Fenty Beauty. I'm gonna see if this will help with this little part I got going on. I probably shouldn't be using this kind of brush, but you know what? Bubbles laughing at me. I think if we smudge it in, it'll be even better. There we go. Now I'm going to be pulling out my hair that's there, so it'll look more natural. I think we're doing pretty good. What y'all think? Comment down below. Am I the only one who liked this bump look? I think I need to pull out some of this hair from this wig and make a couple of shorter pieces. I gotta make sure I ain't cutting my hair, because my hair is pretty long. My bird, yep. Okay guys, let me off camera try and curl this up, see where we're going, because right now this is looking real nice. I just need to tame this end, but ba 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 boom. That's Bubbles. But anyway, it's looking good right now. Yes, I'm still looking to the side. I'm gonna probably bump the ends a little bit, because this hair has like a little bit of a body curl to it, so we'll see. Let me finish playing with it, and then I'll come back with the final look. Hold that thought. OMG. That is all I can say. I am loving this hair. It is bouncy. It is soft. It is manageable. It's 100% human virgin hair. Oh my gosh, it lays so perfect. Oh, everything I have used in this video, including this beautiful unit, is located in my storefront on Amazon. That's right, and this was under $100. You heard me right, under $100. I saw this wig on another website and they wanted $300 for it, so you got to get it. Thank you everybody for experiencing my first time put on a lace front. It was kind of scary at first, but I made it through. And comment down below if there's any other hair that you want me to review, or you can send me some hair and I would definitely do a video on it. This is part 1 of me doing hair, and I have many more to come. Thank you for all the love. Adios. Ta-ta. I'll see you next time.